Xiaomi turned the spotlight on its newest SU7 in a truly unusual way. Instead of simply showing the car on a stage, Lei Jun led a live teardown, taking a brand new SU7 apart piece by piece, down to the component level, so viewers could see the engineering, structure, battery system, chassis, and safety details for themselves. After the teardown was finished, Xiaomi engineers did something even more interesting. That same evening, they manually put the car back together and completed the full assembly and factory exit testing in 6 hours and 28 minutes. A follow-up report mentioned that the restored SU7 was kept for display and internal testing, rather than being sold to the public. Xiaomi used the teardown to show exactly what is inside the SU7, while using the hand-built reassembly to prove that its engineers understand every detail well enough to restore the car to working condition and run final checks afterward. It was a way to demonstrate transparency, engineering strength, and product confidence all at once. The purpose of this exercise was not to replace Xiaomi's real production system. Xiaomi's broader EV factory is already highly automated, and the company has also been testing humanoid robots on the assembly line. Xiaomi's own leaders have said that these humanoid robots are still in an apprentice stage, meaning they are not yet full-time industrial workers. Within this context, the manual reassembly was likely meant to prove one thing very clearly. The car can be fully taken apart and rebuilt, and the team has enough technical confidence to show that process openly.